we started the business, we knew who to go to. So that's why we started with Vermeer and never looked to any other competitor. 11 years now, and it's been great.
We're based from Miami. We cover Southeast. Also, we go up to Broward County and West Palm Beach County. We get to travel to Iowa with them. We get to have meetings over here with them. We have competitors nearby, and they even go to my house to try to sell equipment. And I thought, look, even though Vermeer is a little bit more expensive, it's more quality. So you want quality, you want things. When you call, they got to answer. And that's what you need to continue moving forward as a company.
This relationship is like a family now. They don't treat us as a customer. They treat it like, you need this, okay, we'll get it done. We're even in the service department, they'll get, they set the tech out.
Whatever need we have, Saturdays, Sundays, nighttime, they're there. If they got to open for us after hours, they open for us after hours. We depend on them for everything we do.
We even played around it. We don't bleed red, we bleed red, yellow.